Hello beer fans, in this video I'm going to show how to install a Schrader valve like you got on your car tire or bicycle, motorcycle, onto a Corny Keg cap. I looked on the internet and could not find one anywhere. So this video I'm going to show you how I did it. Hopefully it'll help you out. I'll also tell you why you want to do this and some of the benefits. Okay, I disassembled a Schrader valve, drilled my hole. Hole turned out very nice. This is the most convenient place I found to place it. It's about an inch away from the air release valve. Okay, with the hole very snug, as I disassembled the rubber gasket piece and then insert that into the hole. It's a lot easier to do with one hand. Okay, let's turn around and do it. There you go. All right, and you do it till the rubber is sticking out. And you take your stem that goes through the hole. Next comes the washer. The washer goes, in this particular case, goes downward. You secure the screw. I'll tighten it up later with a pair of pliers. Hand tight should be sufficient. We'll find out later if it leaks or not. And you'd screw the cap on. So that's what it looks like completed. Very nice.